Welcome back to Standcrafted, where today I'd like to show you how to make a wallet. This project starts with a trip to the Oregon Leather Company, where their friendly and knowledgeable staff will set you up with everything you need, including scrap leather, which they sell for just $10 a pound. If you don't happen to have a local leather store, I'll leave a link in the description below to their website. In addition to the leather, it helps to have a sharp knife, a leather punch, or an awl, some wax thread, a needle, a big paper clip, and some matches to go along with a metal ruler. Let's get started. Vegetable tan leather will take on a rich patina over time that just keeps getting better with age, but I do find it helps to rub in a mixture of beeswax, coconut oil, and cocoa butter. Since I already have a wallet like this, I'd like to offer this to somebody who posts a comment by February 14th, 2019. On Valentine's Day, I'll pick a winner, post it in the comment section, and then send this wallet to you.